Hello everybody, how to fill and sign a PDF. Usually I do it with Adobe Acrobat, that's it. And we use this tool here, fill and sign, also available here. So just placing myself here and I can write. I can move it, change the size, change the color, easy. I can do it wherever I want, always choosing how I want it. I can also draw, add figures, polygons, wherever I want. Okay. And I can also sign, fill and sign here. I can add a signature. So I can draw it here, pam, pim, plum, 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 or also upload an image, apply, and now I can place my signature here. If I want to do it digitally, I go to here in all this menu, use a certificate, digitally sign. Okay, I place myself where I want to see the signature, the digital signature, and now I select my digital certificate, right? If it doesn't appear in Adobe Acrobat, I recommend you Autofirma. Check it out. First, I save my document already filled. So that's it. It is filled up right now. And now I open it with Autofirma. So here, Autofirma, you can download it. It's an official software. I drag the file I want to sign digitally and I click on signature. I select where to see it, in only this page or every page. And I go to next. I can customize it, next. And here I can select the certificate, right? Very easy, and just save it, already signed. Here we go, it's done. Here you have it with the signature. You can see it here, signed and all signatures valid. This is the verification panel, and here you can see the signature. Okay, enjoy it. See you next time.